In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use the chart of accounts in Zoho Books, offering a complete guide for 2025. We'll break down each step so you can manage your finances efficiently within this powerful platform. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to head over to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. It's a familiar hub for managing all your accounting needs. From here, you'll get a broad view of your financial data, making it a great starting point. Next up, we need to navigate to the Accountant tab. This section is specifically designed to give accountants access to various advanced features. Clicking this tab reveals several options, but today our primary focus will be on the chart of accounts. It's your go-to place for viewing and managing all your accounts in one centralized location. Once you've clicked on the chart of accounts, you'll see a list of all active accounts. This list provides a comprehensive overview of your financial structure. Here, you can see everything from assets and liabilities to income and expenses. Understanding how this chart is organized helps you know where your money is coming from and where it's going, which is crucial for maintaining financial health. Now, say you want to edit an account. Zoho Books gives you the flexibility to do just that. Simply click on the account you want to modify. This approach offers the agility you need to update account details to reflect changes in your financial operations. Whether adjusting account names, numbers, or any other details, it's a straightforward process. But what if you need to add a new account? Easy! There's a new button ready for you to click. This feature is handy for growing businesses that need to keep their charts up to date as their operations expand. Clicking New will begin the process of introducing additional accounts to your system. During account setup, you'll need to select the correct account type. This is crucial for accurate financial reporting and ensures your new account reflects the appropriate category in line with your business operations. Think of it as choosing the right container for storing financial transactions. After selecting the account type, go ahead and type in the account name. Make sure it's clear and descriptive enough so anyone reviewing the accounts can easily understand its purpose. Keeping account names straightforward and consistent will save time and reduce errors. Finally, you'll click on Save to secure all your changes or additions. This step is vital to ensure that all the hard work you've put into setting up or modifying accounts isn't lost. It's always satisfying to know that your chart of accounts is accurate and up to date. And there you have it. Now you know how to find and effectively use the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. By mastering these steps, you're well on your way to maintaining a comprehensive financial overview of your business, ensuring all your accounting needs are met smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy accounting.